Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to use Exness as a beginner. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, if you already have an Exness account, you can skip to this time on the screen. Okay, if you don't have an account, I will leave a link in the description. You can use it if you want. After that, click on register here, verify. Now we have here create an account. You have to choose your country. So for me, it's Morocco. You have to add your email here and you have to add a password. So for me, I will use this one. Make sure you check on this box here. I declare and confirm that I'm not a citizen or resident of the US. Click on continue. I will save this password. And now we have here choose trading account. Click on demo. Now this is Exness trading platform. Now click on these three dots and go to personal area. So here, as you can see, you have to complete your account. Click on complete profile. You have to confirm your email address, confirm your phone number, and add your profile information. So let's click on get started now. Let's go to our email. This is the verification code. Let's paste it here. Now you have to confirm your phone number. Click on confirm phone number and add your phone number. Okay. For me, I already have an Exness account. And also you have to add your ID, an image of the front and an image of the back. Okay, now we have here real account and we have demo account. This is your demo account. If you want to add another one, click on open account, choose standard and click on continue. Make sure you click on demo here. So we have the currency, you can change it if you want. We have here the balance. Also, you can add more. For example, $1,500. We have here the nickname. You can change it if you want. I will add demo, standard demo. We have here the max leverage. And we have here the platform MT5 or MT4. Or you can just use Exness chart, okay? So I will choose this one. This is your password. Make sure you remember this password because if you want to connect Exness with MetaTrader, you will need this password. Okay. Click on create account. And as you can see, this is our demo account here. The same thing with real. If you want to add another one, click on open an account, choose standard, for example. Make sure you click on real here, the currency, the nickname, the leverage, the platform, and the trading password. Okay, it's the same thing. I will add here, for example, real and click on continue. And now, as you can see, we have another real account, standard real. If you want to deposit, click on deposit here. And as you can see, it's unavailable because you have to complete verification of your account. As you can see, you need complete the verification. After that, you can deposit your money. Now let's go back to my accounts. Let's go to demo and let's go to the charts. Click on trade and choose Exness terminal. Now this is the Exness terminal, the trading platform. So we have here the watch list. If you want to add more stocks or more currency pairs to this watch list, go to search here and let's add, for example, Tesla. Okay, Tesla, this one. Click on it and you will see it here on the chart. If you want to add it to the watch list, let's make this one bigger. You have to click on this star here. As you can see, add to favorites. Now you can remove it if you want. Now, if we remove this one, as you can see, we have Tesla here. You can change its place if you want. Now, if you want to change the time frame, click on 1 minute here and you can choose any time frame you want. For example, the 15 minutes. This is the 15-minute time frame. If you want to add a line, you can click here. You can choose, for example, horizontal line or vertical line. Let's choose, for example, vertical line. As you can see, if you want to change its color, click on this pane and you can change the color from here. If you want to add Fibonacci, click on this one here. And this is Fibonacci, as you can see. If you want to remove levels, click on the gear icon here. And let's remove this level, for example, the 23%. So it's this one. All you have to do is uncheck it like this. If you want to change a color, for example, this color, 38%, go to this one and you can change it with whatever you want. So let's change it to this one, for example, as you can see. Now, if you want to add another level, all you have to do is check here and let's add, for example, 10% level. As you can see, 0.1 and click on OK. As you can see. Now let's remove this Fibonacci, click on it and click on trash. Now let's say, for example, you want to add an indicator. Go to indicators here, click on it, and you can add any indicator you want as long as it's available on Exness. Okay. So let's say you want to add a moving average. Moving average. The same thing with RSI, MACD, any indicator you want. So this is our moving average, as you can see. Now go here and you will see your indicator. So click on these three dots, click on settings. And if you want to change it, for example, to the 50 moving average, go to length and change this one to 50. If you want to change its color, go to color here and change it, for example, with yellow. And we have here the thickness. You can change it like this and click on OK. Now, if you want to remove this moving average or this indicator, go to it here, click on it, click on these three dots and click on remove. The same thing with RSI, volume, MACD, everything. Now, let me show you how to trade. So we have here buy and sell. If you can't see this panel, for example, if you found it like this, click on this arrow here, show form, and you will see the trading panel here. Now, let's say, for example, I want to, let's say sell. Okay. So you can click on sell here. And we have two types of orders. We have market order and pending order or limit order. Okay. So market order, you will buy or sell with this price. Limit order or pending order, you will buy or sell with a price you want. For example, let's say I want to buy only when the price hit 379. Okay. Or you want to sell when the price hits 440. Okay. Now let's buy with the market. We have here volume. Let's choose, for example, one lot. We have here the take profit. Just click here and let's change it, for example, to the 1 minute. As you can see, this is the take profit. So I will place it, for example, here. And for the stop loss, I will place it, for example, here. Okay. If you want to sell, your stop loss should be at the top. Okay. Above the price. And your take profit should be below the price. Okay. For example, this is our take profit and this is our stop loss. If you want to buy, your stop loss should be below the price and your take profit should be above the price. Okay, so click on confirm sell one lot. You have insufficient funds. So let's change it, for example, to 0.01. Click on confirm sell. As you can see, now this is our position opened. We have here open. As you can see, we have Tesla, sell. This is how many lots, open price. This is our take profit and our stop loss. If you want to change the take profit and stop loss, click on it. And you can change it from here to whatever you want, as you can see, like this. And click on modify position. If you want to close your position, all you have to do is go here, close position, or you can close it from here, like this. The same thing with buy. Let's click on buy, volume 0.1 lot, take profit will be, for example, here, and the stop loss will be, for example, here, and click on confirm. This is my position. So let's close also this one, and let's do the pending order. Now let's buy, click on pending, and as you can see, we have here buy limit. So let's say, for example, I want to buy when the price hit this number, 416. And my take profit will be the current price, just for example. And my stop loss will be, let's say here. Let's say here, just for example. And click on confirm buy limit. Now, go to pending here, and you will see your order. Again, if you want to change the stop loss and take profit, click on it, and you can change them like this. Click on modify when you finish. The same thing works with Forex. So for example, Euro USD, let's click on pending, volume, let's choose one lot, and we have here your pending order. We have here the stop loss and the take profit. So I will choose the take profit here, and the stop loss will be, for example, here, and click on confirm buy. And this will be your order, as you can see here. Now, let's say, for example, you want to link your account with MetaTrader. So all you have to do is open a new tab and type MetaTrader. MetaTrader. I recommend you use MetaTrader 5, and it's this one. Click on download MetaTrader for Windows if you have a Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. Okay, for me, I already have MetaTrader 5, so I will open it. It's this one. Click on it. Okay, now to link your Exness account, go to File here and click on Open an account. Here at the search bar, type Exness and hit Enter. Now scroll down here until you see this one, Exness Technologies Ltd. Click on it and click on Next. Now we have to wait for a few moments. Now go and click on Connect with an existing trade account, like this. Now we have here the login and the password and the server. So for the login, let's go to our Exness account. And this is my Exness account. Click on these three dots, and we have here account information. Click on it, and we have here the login, MT5 login. Click on copy, paste it here, and we have the password. I told you to remember that password. So let's go back. Click here, click here. I will add my PIN, and this is the password. I will copy it and paste it here. Now we have here the server. Let's go to see the server. The server is Exness MT5 Trial 16. MT5 Trial 16. This one. Click on finish.
Incoming mail.
And now this is our account. As you can see, Exness MT5 16. Click on this arrow and you will see standard demo 928. Let's go back, 928, as you can see. Click on trade here, and let's make this one bigger. And as you can see, this is our balance, 1,499. The same balance here, as you can see, in 81 cents and in 81 cents. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, now you can add your currency pairs. If you want a tutorial on how to use MetaTrader 5, you can find it in my channel. Okay, I will link it here at the top. And that's it. This is how you can use Exness for complete beginners. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.